Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 208 in the GTI specification. So this car boasts the 1.6 litre petrol engine that gives you 208 brake horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the half leather interior with the GTI styling. There's also the 7-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This is a great looking car, I'm sure you'll agree. It's done less than 12,500 miles and only had one previous owner. And if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton.